Hi, this is Glenn Bersky from MacSEOtips.com, and I wanted to do another tutorial video on Articulo, which is a computer instant article generating robot which can create a 100% unique draft quality document in 3 minutes or less. And it can do it for $2 or less. So it's a great way to get content for your website or blog literally within just minutes. All right, here I am at the Articulo website, and you'll see across the top we have a main menu bar with different services. Um, we have a window here that's prompting us to generate a new article. In this case, I'll type how to Instagram, and it's searching for articles that it may have access to on that topic and content, and we'll eventually come up with a list of alternatives or suggestions. So we have how to Instagram, but also Twitter how to or how to Twitter. I want to create one for Instagram. I would adjust the slider from its default of 450. Often I'll just set it to 500 and let it generate the most it can, leave it at its default of readability, and click the create button. After about 2 or 3 minutes of processing, I'll switch to my account here, and you'll see the articles that I've generated. There's two different types. The ones with the orange checkbox here are articles that I've already bought, and when I view them, I see the entire article in the clear from beginning till end. Here's an article that shows buy in preview. It's an article I generated, but I have not purchased. Remember, you can generate all the articles you want for free. You only pay for them at the time you decide to buy. However, until you buy it, if I click a preview of an article I haven't purchased, we'll see that the majority of it is blurred out, and you'll only have like one sentence on average per paragraph shown in the clear. That'll give you some indication of like, okay, those sentences are pretty well written and stuff. It's on topic. It's good, 444 words. I'm ready to buy. So the distinction here is that until you buy it, you don't get to see or copy the full text of the article. I'm going to switch over to WordPress. Articulo has a WordPress plugin which integrates Articulo's most of its functionality directly inside of WordPress. You don't have a menu bar running across the top of the screen like you do on the website, but the principle is basically the same. Pinterest account, choose a topic, set the word count, and click create. Here below you'll see, I'm going to go back to my articles. I had one on WordPress plugin Pinterest account. Here you'll see we just have view. We don't have preview or buy. So the distinction to make here is when and if you use the Articulo WordPress plugin, when you create an article, after 3 minutes, it will just show up down in your library already purchased. So it's like if you try it, you buy it. Whereas on the website, you get the option to preview it at least partially before you click the buy button. So the handling of how it deducts credits is very different. Also notice up here I'm using MacGizmoGuy, my boss's account, and I have 30 article credits available at Articulo's site on the web. If I switch back to the WordPress plugin, here you'll see I only have a credit balance of 3. You get 3 free credits just for trying out the Articulo plugin, and I recommend that you do. Give it a spin and try generating a few articles yourself. However, because my WordPress account admin setup has a different email address than the web one, I ended up with split credits. I have 30 on the web, but the ones within my dashboard here, I only have 3 credits here, and they're created under a different account and email address. So it's very important. Ideally, those would be identical for 2. All right, that's it in short. There is a difference here. Within WordPress, you try it, you buy it. Once it's done generating the article, it just ends up in your library. over on the Articulo website, and I think this is preferable. If you go to my account, you'll see the articles, and you have an option to get a blurred preview before you buy. All right, I hope that helped to show you some of the features and a few of the distinctions between using Articulo within your WordPress platform or just doing it over the web. All right, click on the link below and visit Articulo's website, and visit my main website at macseotips.com. Thanks for watching.